Hey guys, today we are covering how to calibrate your meat probe for your grill in 2 minutes or less. So what I've got is a glass of crushed ice here. It was filled to the brim with crushed ice. Then I filled it to the brim with water. And as you can see, this glass is deep enough to allow my entire thermometer, or as much as possible, to be submerged into the water. And we want to make sure we let this sit for at least 1 minute. I've had it in here for a couple minutes while I've been getting everything ready. And we can go ahead and see what we're looking at here, if it's dark enough. Can't quite get the display to show up, but if you just trust me, it's reading right at 32.2 degrees. So we know that we have our glass cold enough. And now on the Traeger, we can hit menu, go down to settings, go to probe calibration, go to calibrate probe, and it will say to make sure you've had your ice, your probe soaking in ice for at least 1 minute, and we can hit calibrate. Now I want to be explicitly clear that you can't just put it in a little bit of ice water like this, because if you just put it in an ice bath, this is going to read at about 40 degrees or so with just a little bit of ice in there. You want the entire glass packed with crushed ice, and you need to make sure that you have your entire probe submerged. If you want to see more 2-minute tutorials, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and you'll be notified every time I have a new one out. Thanks for joining me.